Welcome back to another episode of Market Talk. This week, the market just grinded sideways, grinded lower after all of the tariff talk, all of the reciprocal tariffs and the battling with China. Everything is just uncertain right now. We don't know what's going on. We don't know what may happen. Everything's all over the place. So we'll see how things go. But all I know is that there is opportunity in the chaos. So this is the best time to be investing. Like, with all this uncertainty, with all the stocks dropping, Nvidia is at $100 right now. Bitcoin's under 100K. It's at 80 something K right now, 85K. Microsoft, Apple, these are great companies. Of course, their stocks are lower now, but they're great companies, so that their stocks will recover. Okay, so right now is the best time to be investing. My top picks for this investment, for this period of time, for the technology and for like AI and semiconductors, all that stuff. Nvidia, Microsoft, get you some physical gold, and Taiwan Semiconductor. During this time, opportunity is made, millionaires are made, and it's up to you to take advantage of it. Don't get scared with all this, these headlines of stocks crashing over here, stocks crashing over there. Focus on you, focus on picking up these good companies at low prices. That's how you build wealth right there. That is how you build wealth. You do that enough times, you'll be good. But Trump is wilding. He's going back and forth with China. I believe they put a 245% tariff on China. And China is starting to serve directly to the American consumer. They're going on TikTok and they're posting where the designer brands get their stuff made, and they're selling directly to the American consumer. And Americans are gladly going over there to China and doing business with China. I'm gladly going to do business with China. You know why? Because it's good made material, good made stuff that's made quality, or at least, some sort of efficiency to it. And it has a good price. China has good price stuff. Okay? They don't make $3 bags and then charge it up for $500. That's not what they do. They don't make $5 clothes and charge it for $800. That's not what they do. So we're going straight to the Chinese, man. America is tired of getting screwed over. Americans are tired of getting screwed over by these corporations, by these oligarchs, and by these crazy prices. And it's only getting worse. He's worried about tariffs and stuff. Bro, we don't need more uncertainty right now. We need better income. We need more income for our minimum wage jobs. We need to lower the cost of living. That's the issue. Not these tariffs and these manufacturing jobs and all this stuff. Like, I'm going to be doing my business with China unless American stuff is actually made better. It's just because it's made in America don't mean that it's actually better. I don't even understand where that notion come from. But that's going to be it for Market Talk. It's going to be a short one. Focus on yourself and get in the market while the prices are low. Opportunity is waiting. And that's how you build wealth. Lock in.